How to make $100 per day easily. If you are looking to make extra make as a teenager or even aiming to make $100 per day, then you have clicked the right video. We will tell you about some tips and tricks by which you can make $100 per day. Before we get into the video, hi, this is the Financial Educator, where we provide you with helpful information about finances, investing and income. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to get informed when we release a new video. Lastly, give this video a huge thumbs up, and now let's move on to our video. Now let's jump right into the video on how you can make $100 a day. Who doesn't want to make extra money to play with or even buy items they always have thought about? If you are that person, now just make a wish list on any store you like, because with this advice, you are going to make extra money to buy everything you want and also can step up your game of fashion. Now let's get into our list. 1. Part-time job. The first thing on our list is part-time job. I know it sounds old in today's world where everyone will give you advice on making money online or will tell you how they make tons of money by just working an hour a day, but trust me, that is the best thing you can do. Going for a part-time job after school or work or doing it on some weekends will give you extra cash instead of spending those hours just lying on bed stuffing popcorn into your mouth watching some movie. First, before going for luxury or stepping up your fashion game, think about making money instead, because you need money to relax in a good way, right? Or you can buy a good gift, not for your girlfriend but for yourself. Always buy things for yourself and then for anyone else. Just go for a part-time job and make extra cash from those hours that you are just wasting. Think that you are not wasting your time, you are wasting the money instead. You can go for any part-time job you want. If you like books, then you can do a part-time job in library, and if you like restaurants or like food, you can find a good paying part-time job in that field as well. So just go and get a job for yourself too. Flipping items online. The second thing you can do to make even hundreds of dollars online is flipping item online. This thing is a little tricky, but when you know how to do it, you can make good money from it. Now you must be thinking how it works. Well, you just have to go to a donating website or store of your area and search for good items that people are willing to donate for free. It's time consuming as you have to spend a lot of time to find a good item. There are many useless items, and you just do not have to get every single item because you can't sell them as many people do not want them. So just search for a good item. You can find many items like wooden table, leather sofa, window curtains and many more things for free. Now what you have to do is just get these items and click good photos. Yes, taking good pictures matter the most. When the pictures will be good enough to attract people, they will definitely buy your product. Pick up your camera and just click good pictures and also write a good description as well to tell people about the product. If you know the trick, then you are ready to go. 3. Selling stuff online. The third thing on our list is selling stuff online. You can sell all the extra stuff that you have. Just do not sell everything, sell extra stuff. If you are already flipping items online, then you know the trick about how to click good and attractive picture and also how to write good description so that people will buy your product. It's a very good side hustle to make some extra cash from the products that are stored in your storeroom and are doing noting. You do not use those products or even they are not playing part in maintaining your house decor, so why not just sell them online? Just take out those items, clean them and take their good pictures. Write good description, and you are just ready to make a lot of money from all the extra stuff that was doing nothing for you. 4. Credit card churning. The fourth thing on our list is credit card churning. It's the very easy process to get some extra cash. Summarizing all for you is that you just get cash back for the cash you spend. Now you must be thinking that it's kind of investment and how you are earning cash from it. Well, you do. You spend some money to buy a product to sale, and then you get cash back and also the profit from that product you just sold online. Means you just stepped up your game of earning profit. Now there are many banks that offer a good cash back for amounts you spend. First on recommendation list is Bank of America. This bank gives you $200 of cash for $1,000 cash spent in first 90 days. Means if you buy a product of $1,000 and sell it online for $1,200 and also getting cash back from your credit card, then means you just earned $400 profit. Similarly, there are other two credit cards like Chase Freedom Flex Card and Saver Card. Both of these cards give you $200 of cash back on $500 spent in first 3 months. Above all this, the amazing thing is that there is no annual fee for all of these 3 credit cards that I just mentioned. 5. Monetizing your skills. The fifth thing on our list is monetizing your skills. Do you know what the rule is? It is that what you can do, then don't do it for free. If you have any skill or any talent, just don't do it for free. You can earn money if you know anything. If you even speak good English, you can earn from that. You can give English lessons or just do voiceover videos for other that will give you a good cash. If you know how to play guitar, then you can make cover videos or just give other guitar lessons. The thing is that if you know how to do something, then just don't do it for free. Earn from it. Every single thing can give you money. Just don't let your skill or talent go to waste. 6. Focus groups. The sixth thing on our list is focus group. So, who don't pass opinions? If you do, then you can earn from it. Isn't it amazing? That you can earn money from what you do on daily basis. Well, now let me tell you how can you earn money from just giving your opinions. You just have to open Google and search for focus groups in your area. Then you just have to sign up for them. Then companies will give you some of their products, and in return you just have to give them your opinion. These opinion help them to increase quality of their product or fill in something that their product is missing in it. These companies pay you from $5 to $50. Means if you give 3 opinions in 2 weeks, then you will earn $150. So just go and sign up now and start earning for just giving your opinion. 7. YouTube channel. The last thing on our list is make a YouTube channel. This is not something that will start giving you money just right away. It is some kind of a long-term investment for yourself that needs no investment at all. If you have a good mobile phone with better quality camera, then you are just ready to go. Trust me, this will pay you so much that one day it will become your full-time job. Now you must be thinking about what you should make a YouTube channel. Well, you can do anything on YouTube. You can create vlogs as they are very popular now. You can give free lessons on YouTube and can also talk about something or even play games. I mean, why are you thinking about making a channel when you are getting paid for just playing games? Just go and make your channel right now and start making videos. That was all for this video. If you have any question or want us to cover a specific topic about finance, investment or income, please leave a comment. Alright, that does it. See you in the next video.